Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica and you're watching Passion for DIY. I got a package. So Wild Bangarang was kind enough to send me something mermazing that I think you might really like. I've been wanting to open this package since it showed up, but I thought I would do it here with you on camera so you can see my reaction and my first impressions, and maybe I'll do a little try on, I don't know. Ooh, 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 don't cut it. So we've got a nice little package here. We've got the sticker and some tissue paper, very nice. Oh my god! Okay, Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay guys, I was really excited to open this package, but now it's even better than I thought it would be, and I'm so happy. Okay, so can you see that? Oh my god! And that's not even it. Like, that's not the end of it. Oh my god! So, there's another one. Oh my god! Can you see that? Oh my god! And it's got side fins. Oh my goodness, oh my god, and it's got little ankle fins as well. That is crazy. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so let's start with the first thing. So I got a little message here. What this was supposed to be, or at least what I wanted to try out, was this beautiful koi fish set. Now unfortunately I got a message that the top was out of stock, which is so sad because oh my god, it's so beautiful. But I don't think you're ready. Okay, I've got cycling shorts, koi fish cycling shorts. Like, what the heck? And they're like, they feel so nice as well. They're like nice and thick, you know, I like them thick. And they've got like a really nice band as well. Oh, I can't wait to try them on. And if you've seen my last video on reviewing FinFun's mermaid tail, you know I have a thing about aligning your scales. Yeah, FinFun, this is how you do it. Watch and learn. The scales are aligned beautifully. Very nice. I'm so excited. Yes. Okay, these ones are not, well, they're not too bad. These ones are a bit off, but you can't really tell because of the pattern. But it's so pretty. Oh, and they've got little side fins as well. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. That is crazy. Absolute madness. How pretty is that? Right, I'm gonna take some close-ups for you and hopefully try them on and see how they fit. And yeah, oh, so excited. So as some of you may know, I'm absolutely obsessed with koi fish, and I have no idea why I don't have a koi fish tail yet. But you know when something is like really important to you and you kind of procrastinate on it because you don't want it to go bad? Yeah, that's kind of how I feel with my koi fish tail. I want it to be perfect, right? So that's why I don't have a koi fish tail yet. Wild Bangarang, truly mermazing. And the shadow, so I will be trying them on in a second. So let's have a little close-up on these leggings. Look at these scales, they're absolutely stunning. A big shout out to Kellee Art for designing these leggings a few years back. They're not really a new design, but they look beautiful. And the fins are everything. I love them. So I think I like the cycling shorts more for the fabric and the thick band at the top and the design overall. They would be perfect if they were made into leggings, so the same material, the same design, but longer. I don't think cycling shorts actually suit me very well, but it's something I should probably get used to. And here's a little squat test. They do go a bit see-through, not to the point that you can see my underwear, I think, but they look kind of white when they stretch. Then we have the leggings. The leggings are a bit thinner. They're from a bit more shiny material, if you know what I mean. But I bet you could swim in them. And they're a bit thinner as well, which is perfect for summer. They're a bit more see-through. Let me do a little squat test for you. Still, I don't think you can see my undies. Hopefully not. If you do, sorry. But the fabric goes white, so as long as you don't squat in people's faces, you should be fine. But you might want to wear maybe a longer top or something. Other than that, I wish the band was a bit thicker, like in the cycling shorts, because it kind of digs into my love handles. So this company is based in the UK and they ship worldwide, which is awesome. And they have even more things in this collection called Ocean Ready. They also have all sorts of nerdy apparel from Warhammer, Magic the Gathering, Star Trek to My Little Pony and more cutesy stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of geeky stuff, go check them out. And I do have a link for you for £10 off of the first purchase if you spend over £40, link below, so feel free to use that. It's kind of an affiliate link. I do get some store credit, but I don't get real money, if that makes sense. But if you want to support me on my quest to getting everything from the Ocean Ready collection, feel free to do so. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. If you'd like to see how these perform in a mermaid workout, stay tuned for next week's video. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye!